What's going on, guys? It's me, Joey, back with another video, and today, guys, the Dog of Wisdom is back. I haven't seen the Dog of Wisdom in a long time, so yeah. This video is called The Dog of Wisdom 2. It's created by a YouTube channel named Joe. Shout out to that guy. I'll put the link to his channel in the description below, as well as this video, and we're gonna watch it, and I'm excited. I haven't seen Dog of Wisdom in forever, so let's do this.
Pa, hata pakata pata, haka, hata, hapatakadaka, baba, hata pandas, fatapatapatandas, hatandas, hapata, kata-kata-kata-kandas, kata-kata-kandas, and gadaka, kata-pata-pata-fandas among us. Pa, hapapa, pa, 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 pa,
He's back.
pa, 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 pa.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Ha! Hadapadaka, hadapadakadakadaka, hadapadaka. Habababa, 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 habadakadabada. Happy happens. Happy had to happen, ha, it has to. Have a fondest of wonders. But, ha, hadbada, hapam, havava, manaka, manaka, ha, hamanaka.
Guys, you don't know how happy I am to see the Dog of Wisdom back, and the other dog too. Anyway, guys, this is a short little video. Sorry that saying a long video. I wish the Dog of Wisdom video was like an hour long. But anyway, guys, see you guys next one. Peace out.